What if I told you you no longer need 5 different AI tools, multiple subscriptions, or hours of editing? Because one platform can now do everything. Today, we're testing Wery AI, and I'm going to use it to create a full cinematic channel trailer for Supercar Street Racing, using AI for everything. And yeah, this might completely change how creators make content. Welcome to Supercar Street Racing, where horsepower meets innovation, and we bring you real-world reviews and house projects, insane machines, and next-level tech. If it's fast, loud, or fun, you'll find it right here. So this is Wery AI, and this is where things get interesting. Instead of jumping between a bunch of different apps, Wery AI combines everything into one platform. And we're talking video generation, image creation, creative effects, and AI editing tools, all in one place. And it integrates models like Sora for high-quality video generation, Veo for cinematic visuals, Runway for editing and motion control, and NanoBanana for fast, stylized image creation. So instead of paying for multiple tools, you've got everything under one membership. No professional skills needed, just ideas. Now let's test this in real time. We're creating a Supercar Street Racing channel trailer. Now I'm going to go ahead and set tone cinematic and aggressive. I'm going to set the style to high energy, fast cut, and I'm going to make the audience car and scooter and golf cart lovers and tech lovers also. And here's the prompt. Create a high energy cinematic YouTube trailer featuring supercars, fast paced edits, powerful narration, scooters, golf carts, and e-bikes. And then let's go ahead and generate.
Car, scooter, and tech lovers, get ready. We push the limits of speed. Welcome to Supercar Street Racing.
Now first up, here's video generation. We're using Sora and Veo inside Wery AI. These models can generate full cinematic clips from prompts. Let's go ahead and put a prompt in there that says cinematic supercar driving at night, neon reflections, ultra realistic, and slow motion transitions. And look at this, the lighting reflections, the motion, it actually looks like real footage. This is the kind of content that used to require a full production crew. Now let's create some custom visuals using NanoBanana and Wery AI Image 2.0. We can generate thumbnails, background scenes, and stylized car renders, just to name a few. Now this is perfect for YouTube creators, especially if you want eye-catching thumbnails or cinematic overlays without hiring designers. And now we can bring everything together. Wery AI lets us combine generated clips, add transitions, sync the pacing, and build a full sequence. And the crazy part, we're doing all of this without even switching platforms. No exporting, no importing, no bouncing between apps. Everything will happen right here in Wery AI.
Car, scooter, and tech lovers, get ready. We push the limits of speed.
Now that was honestly wild. We just created a full concept, we generated visuals, and we built a trailer all inside one platform. There was no switching tools and no complicated workflow. Now, if you want to try Wery AI for yourself, check out my link in the description and pinned comment, because new users will get 20 free credits just for signing up and 50% off the annual subscription. So you can test everything you just saw today. And if you're serious about content creation, this is definitely worth checking out. Now, if you want more content like this, AI tools, supercars, next level tech, reviews, hit that subscribe button and make sure to drop me a comment down below. Would you trust AI to create your videos, or are you sticking to manual editing? I'll catch you in the next one.
Car, scooter, and tech lovers, get ready. We push the limits of speed. Welcome to Supercar Street Racing.